I need instructions how to reattach the kill switch wires to a Craftsman weed eater model. No. NNN-NN-NNN to the motor.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you.
Okay, thank you.
This trimmer has only a single kill wire that would go to the ignition coil, and comes from the kill switch. The other wire on the kill switch goes to a ground connection, to ground the spark when kill is selected. What kind of wires do you have? There will be no wires on carburetor.
Correct, I have a black ground and a red with a connector on the end. I can't see where that snaps to. Those two wires are connected to an on-off that is on the seedeater handle.
It goes on the ignition coil, mounted next to the flywheel. #XXXXX full-size image.
Okay, so I have to take the front piece back off to see that.
The recoil housing has to be removed.
I see the diagram, but no picture of wires. When you say recoil housing, is that where the pull start is located?
Wires are not shown. Full-size image. See the small terminal connection? That is where the wire goes. That.
Got it, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Do you happen to know the size of the tool needed to take the flywheel off? The screw at the end. I can't see it and I don't even know what type of screw it is.
You do not need to remove the flywheel. Just the plastic cover.
I can't remove the cover without removing #XXXXX. That's the screw, I can't see what size or type.
#XXXXX should stay in place and the cover should slip off over it. It is not connected to the cover.
No, it's the part that holds the clutch in place over the cover. The cover will not slip over that. 32 goes on the outside of 31.
Have you loosened 34 and 36?
The shaft has been removed.
Shaft hash?
Long story, I had to replace the pull start, but now I can't remove the screw from no. 32, I don't have the correct size. What I used work must not have been correct because now that driver is not working.
I see no screw in #XXXXX.
It is inside no 32 to remove. Forgive me, I'm not a mechanic. In the end of it, it doesn't come out once removed. I do know that the spark plug chamber has to be stopped up to remove that piece or the engine will turn and you won't get torque to remove it.
Give me a minute, I have a Craftsman edger at my shop, let me see what model it is.
Okay, thank you. XXXXXXXXXX, not too much of a pain.
Okay, the one I have has a nut on the end. Yours, I think, has no nut. Did you loosen a screw in the center of it? If so, it should slip off the serrated shaft.
It does have a screw in the center, that's what I can't see what type or size. It's okay, I'll figure it out. You've been a great help, thank you very much and Happy New Year.
Mine came off with the housing. Leaving the weights in place, to be removed by loosening the flywheel nut. It is either an Allen screw or a Torx screw.
No, mine doesn't have that, it's okay, I think I can do it from here. Yes, I didn't think of an Allen, I'll try that. Thank you very much, you've been great.
Do you have the outer housing off #XXXXX?
Yes, that is off. It is connected to the trimmer shaft.
Okay. Just thought I would ask.
Thanks again.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.